Wooden spatulas, plastic turners, and steel ladles might have been slowly poisoning us for decades. In this video, we'll break down the hidden dangers of everyday utensils and why titanium is the best choice you can make for your health. When was the last time you actually thought about what your utensils are made of? For most people, the answer is never. And that's exactly where the hidden dangers slip in. Because here's the truth about regular utensils. Plastic melts at low temperatures, releasing toxic chemicals that mess with your hormones, your gut, even raising cancer risks. Silicone sounds safer, but most cheap versions are packed with fillers like BPA and phthalates. And once they're exposed to heat, they start breaking down too. Wood and bamboo feel natural, but they're the opposite of hygienic. They crack, absorb moisture, and harbor bacteria you can't even see. Steel sounds tough, but unless it's really high grade, it can leach heavy metals like nickel and chromium into your food. And on top of that, it scratches your cookware. And carbon steel, that one's just high maintenance. You gotta constantly season it, it rusts easily, and it reacts with acidic foods like tomatoes or lemon. Not practical for everyday use. So if plastic, wood, silicone, and steel all fail in one way or another, what's really left? That's where titanium comes in. It's stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and completely toxin-free. Let me show you why titanium utensils are built to protect your health, save you time, and stay in your kitchen forever. Stick around because by the end of the video, you'll see the only titanium utensils that actually check all those boxes. Number 1, they're built to last. Fact: plastic spatulas warp, wooden ones crack, and stainless steel rust. But titanium, it's so durable that it's used in aerospace and rockets, so you can pretty much call it indestructible. So what happens when you bring that kind of strength into your cooking utensils? It means no bending, no warping, and no rusting, even with daily use. Instead of replacing your utensils every few years, you now have tools that are tough enough to last a lifetime. Number 2, they're lightweight and easy to use. Ever feel like your hand's just getting a workout just from stirring a pan or flipping pancakes? We've all been there. But titanium utensils are a game changer. Stronger than steel, but 3 times lighter, pure titanium gives you all the strength without the bulk. They're so easy to handle, your wrist will barely notice. They're perfect for those with arthritis, joint issues, or just anyone who wants to make cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Plus, titanium's non-stick, non-absorbent surface rinses clean, dries instantly, and never stains or rusts, so you can forget about scrubbing stubborn stains or lingering odors. Number 3, they're safe and toxin-free. Plastic melts and leaches toxic chemicals, silicone breaks down over time, releasing dangerous fillers, wood traps bacteria in tiny cracks, and stainless steel can leach heavy metals or react with acidic foods. Even carbon steel rusts and messes with flavors. Pure titanium avoids every one of those problems. It's the same material trusted in surgical implants because it's the most biocompatible metal on the planet, completely safe for your body and just as safe for your food. It's non-reactive, toxin-free, and naturally antibacterial, so you don't have to worry about chemicals, strange aftertaste, or hidden germs. Now that's the kind of peace of mind we all deserve. Number 4, they're heat-proof and worry-free. You think your spatula is safe sitting in that boiling soup? Think again. Plastic and silicone can start leaking toxins at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. That's before your food even hits a simmer. But pure titanium can handle up to 3,100 degrees Fahrenheit without melting, warping, or absorbing odors. You can leave your spatula in the pan or your ladle in the soup pot without worrying about what's seeping into your meal. No BPA, no PFAS, no microplastics, and no nickel. Titanium doesn't leach, corrode, or react with your food at any cooking temperature. It's the kind of utensil you can trust every time you cook. Number 5, they're sustainable and made to last a lifetime. Tired of replacing spatulas, spoons, and labels every few years? Titanium utensils are built to last a lifetime. Unlike wood, plastic, or coated tools that wear out, these stay strong for decades. No scratch cookware, no worn-out utensils, no yearly replacements. Titanium utensils are maintenance-free, sustainable, and durable enough to pass down for generations. It's really just a one-time investment that's easier on your wallet and better for the planet. So where can you find titanium utensils that last a lifetime and keep your cooking safe? Meet Taima, the pure titanium spatula, skimmer, dipper, and turner. The only utensils in the world made from pure medical-grade certified titanium. That means they're antibacterial and non-toxic, durable but gentle on cookware, lightweight and easy to clean, sustainable, and built to last a lifetime. With Taima titanium utensils, every stir, flip, and scoop is safer and smoother, just what you and your family deserve. So stop using utensils that melt, warp, or leach toxins into your food. Visit TaimaTitanium.com and get your pure titanium utensils today. An upgrade for your kitchen and a lasting investment in your health. Which titanium utensil would you try first? The spatula, skimmer, dipper, or turner? Drop your answer in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to make your kitchen safer and your meals healthier.